Yes, this is our QLQ, new model of soft land gold color plating machine. Now let's show you how to operate the machine. It's very easy. Just start this button. Okay, and then the zipper is coming onto the machine from here, and then come to the first tank. Totally, there are 8 tanks of this machine. First one is for the chemical tank. You can see it. After the zipper coming into this first tank, and it will become the very yellow gold color. And then come to a washing tank. After washing, and we will come to the activation tank. Activation, the function is to remove the first layer of the gold color. As you can see it. Before it's very dark yellow, and after this activation, and the gold color will come out. It's very shiny. After this activation, and then it will come into the second chemical tank for the second time gold color plating. You can see it. The color is different. After the second time plating, and it will come to the washing tank to washing the gold color chemical, and then come to the second time activation to remove the yellow color layer again. You can see it. Okay. And after the washing tank, and then the zipper will coming out. We have one advantage on our this QLQ gold color plating machine. Here we have the suction device. You can here already press this button on. You can hear it. There is one air tank inside this machine. That means the water will be sucked into this pipe after the plating. You can see the zipper tape is very wet after plating, and after suction, and the zipper tape is very dry. That means it will collect the chemical and water after plating. The output of our this small model gold color plating is around 800 to 1000 meters per hour. This is the smaller one. After the zipper after plating and come out, we will put into one big tank. This is for the neutralization tank. Inside is the acrylonite powder. That means the function is to remove the gold color chemical which stay on the zipper tape for the neutralization. Okay. This is the general introduction of our gold color plating machine. And since it's the smaller model, the total length is around 3.8 for the length. This is small model because some customer, their wet factory is very small, so they need small machine for their production. And normally for the big machine is around 6.8 meters, so it's around 3 meters less. This is control panel. This is for start the machine, for stop the machine. This is for the suction pump switch. Okay, when we turn off it, there's low sound inside. When we turn on the suction pump, you can hear it. There's some air suction noise or suction resistor. And this one is for the speed controller. Speed controller function, that means we can adjust the speed for the zipper going inside the machine. When the zipper is going very fast, that means the plating speed is fast. And this tool is the temperature display. Because there are two heating tools inside the chemical tank. You can see it. This is the chemical heating tool. The second one, this one is the second heating tool inside the chemical tank. Because there are some countries, their weather is very cold, so they need to heating the chemical during plating. But now in China, our weather is very warm, so we did not turn on these two buttons. So this two button is for the chemical heating. Now it's off. Okay. Thank you.